Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Abhivyakti by Jyoti Bahugna. Today we are going to learn further as a second lesson on basic elements of art. So let me begin with what are the basic elements of art. So any art, any object, if you'll see it very closely, what you will find, it is made of a point or a line, shape or certain form. So how these are made? So anything, if you'll see, suppose you look at any apple, okay? So how it is made of, so you'll see there is one line and another line, and line can be a curvy or not a curve, and then these lines are made of a point. So you'll see like any 2 points when joined together can form a line, and similarly multiple lines when formed together creates a shape which is in 2D, and when you create multiple shapes together, then it creates a form, and then that form can be a circle or a circular shape, spherical shape, square, rectangle. Okay, so any object in this universe is made of these basic elements which we study today: line, point, line, shape and a form. Okay, and the second thing is, when you want to draw any line, how to create a perfect line. So there is one thumb rule which I'm sure will be very useful for you all, and for that what you need to do, so one way of creating line is make your hand still like this and then draw it. Okay, this is one way of drawing it, but this way what you will see, the line is not coming very straight. Okay, so this is a wrong method. What you need to do is, don't make your hand still. Instead of moving your fingers, which you are doing in the method 1, instead of that what you should do is just move your entire hand. So this is the way you should make any line or any object. Okay, so this is one of the very basic fundamental thumb rules, so remember this. Third thing which comes as a basic element of art is how to convert any 2D object into a 3D object. Okay, so for that there are multiple things. One is use of a color, use of texture, use of some base or background in your artwork, and the light settings. When I talk about all these parameters, it might happen you see all these things as a jargons as of now, but as we will grow in this series of basic elements of art, you will learn about each and everything in detail further. So cutting long story short, focus on a tone aspect. When I say tone, it means a variation of intensity of any color. So suppose now we are using a pencil, so this is normal HB pencil. So what I'm doing is, if you want to make any 3D object, you should have minimum 3 tones. So what I say, minimum 3 tones. Okay, remember this. So say this is a pipe, so now it just looks like a two lines and it doesn't look like a pipe. Okay, so if you'll give it a shape like this, okay, at least the end area, so now it has little bit looks like a pipe, and at least you can say this is a form of a pipe. Okay, so now how to convert this into a 3D? So what you'll do, just add some tone into it. Okay, so darker at the edges and then slowly make it lighter, and similarly from the other side. Okay, so this variation of intensity, this is what is called a tone or a value. Okay, so anything, so if you'll see this closely, what you will observe, this center piece looks very light while the outer edges looks dark, but these two things looks very different. So what you need to do is give a little bit of merging effect, which is also called smudging, and then gradually this color should change. and this is what gives a 3D effect. Okay, so now this is very rough shape, so don't take it so seriously, like it should actually look perfectly as a pipe. But observe, are you able to see any difference between these two objects? This was the first one, this is the second one. Okay, so this perfectly, number one shape is perfectly looks like just two lines and a basic form, while the second one, which has a certain amount of shading into it, which has a minimum 2 or 3 tones, like very light at the center, little bit grayish on middle, and pretty dark on the outer edge. So use of 3-tone has made this 2D form into a 3D object. So this was about basic elements. So let me just summarize what we learned today. One was basic elements of art. So there are 4 basic elements: point, line, form, and shape. To convert any 2D object into 3D, you should use color, texture, background, light settings, and the most important of all this is tone. So minimum 3 tones are required to convert any 2D object into the 3D one. And one important fundamentals what we learned today was how to draw any line or object. So don't constrain or restrict movement of your hand. Instead, give it a complete freedom and just float around your hand over the paper to make anything. So that's all on a second episode of basic elements of art, how to start learning art. So I hope you have learned something at least today. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.